How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat for men step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So belly fat is really hard for some people to lose. So my best tips for you is when people try to lose weight, they'll go on diets. And I don't believe in diets because weight loss, it should be something that you can do forever. Obviously, you shouldn't lose weight forever, but the diet or the plan that you're on should be sustainable forever if you want to. The reason being is because what people do with these crash diets or any type of diet is once they get to their goal weight, they go back to eating whatever they want. And this is exactly why people can lose 50, 60 pounds and then gain it all back. It's because the way that they're losing weight, it's not sustainable. So it has to be sustainable. The best way that I recommend to do is something that I personally do myself. That's tracking my calories. But when I lose weight, I don't reduce my calories by like 500, 1,000. Like a lot of people you'll hear, they're like, yeah, I'm losing like 20 pounds a month or something like that. With my weight loss, it's very slow. Now, if you're thinking, well, that sucks, I want to lose weight super fast. When people try to lose weight fast, what normally happens is they get super hungry, they crave junk food, they crave sugar, and eventually what happens is they fail their diet. They usually always fail their diet. That's why so many people struggle with losing weight. With me, my caloric deficit is very small. It's only 250 calorie deficit. It doesn't bother me. It literally doesn't feel like I'm cutting weight. And that's how I can make weight loss so easy. Like it's very simple. When I do my cuts, I generally lose 20 to 35 pounds within 2 to 3 months. So very easy. I cut my calories very slowly. And yeah, sometimes my body just burns weight really quickly. There's times where I've reduced my calories by 250 calories, but in 1 week I lost 3 pounds. So weight loss really depends on a lot of things. Just because you reduce your calories by 500, you don't necessarily lose a pound per week. It doesn't always happen like that, you guys. And I know from experience, there's sometimes I'll cut my calories by 500. I won't lose weight for 2 weeks straight, no weight loss. But then there's sometimes I'll reduce my calories by 250 and I'll lose 6 pounds in 2 weeks. So what you need to do is you need to lose weight for a decent period of time. But if you cut your calories way too big, you're not going to lose weight. So very simple tip. If you want to lose belly fat and keep it off and not gain it back, reduce your calories very slightly and you're going to lose weight very easily. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.